On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don approve the release of 8 people wey dey prison, and e don change the penalty for death sentence go life imprisonment for 9 others. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don approve the release of 8 persons for prison wey be say dem do different crime, and e don do this one in line with the recommendation of Advisory Council on Prerogative of Mercy. This one na the council wey be say na dem dey sit down on top the way wey dem take dey judge the prisoners wey dey prison for we country. Secretary Advisory Council on Prerogative of Mercy Joyce Omotayo Ugbodaga tok say this action wey Governor Godwin Obaseki take na the power wey dey for governors for we country for section 212 wey dey the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 amended. Omotayo tok say this one na to tell the people of we state say Governor Obaseki don use the power, the one wey dey Constitution under section 212 of Federal Republic of Nigeria, to take approve the immediate release of some prison inmates, and e don change the death sentence of 9 to life imprisonment. The inmates wey dem free na Abu Dennis Ulubeka, Tirimisi Adebayo, Tajudeen Fabiyi, Olufemi Ajayi, Charles Omowumi, Kalu Oje, Matthew Idoko, and Robinson James. The one wey dem change their death sentence to life imprisonment na Okechukwu Marare, the one we say na robbery na im commit, Osamede Abe, Godwin Alao, Monday Iyalekwa, Osaretin Ideye, Omokafe Alao, Okechukwu Okafor, Ifeanyi Okafor, and Sunday Odion. I wan tell you talk say this action wey Governor Godwin Obaseki wey im take, dey dem order all the prison authorities say make dem release these people, and dem believe say this kind action so e go help the ones wey dey inside, e go ginger dem to take fit do better thing with their life and to change their heart on top all the things wey dem don dey do. And dem believe say the ones wey Governor Obaseki don still release, e go help these ones to take fit be better person for outside, and dem no go allow the governor regret this kind of ogbonge action wey im take on top their life. Na here we see the better information reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo as we wait and see Governor Godwin Obaseki. He don approve the release of 8 prison inmates, and he don change the death sentence of 9 others to life imprisonment. This ogbonge informate so na Live Media na Intandara and Gidigba put for una on top wetin shele for inside Edo. My name na Nimat Shagumo.